Good morning everyone. Welcome back ma. See, in the last class we have completed the comparison of 4-digit numbers. Okay, comparison of 4-digit numbers we have completed. How to compare the numbers of biggest and smallest number. Clear? Now we'll see an ascending order and descending order. See children, first of all, what is meant by ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, from small to big. See, if you see here some of the numbers are there. So these numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. How can you arrange these numbers in ascending order? See, first suppose here I am writing those numbers. Okay, what is first number? 2339, 2356, 2348, 2359, and one more number 2341. Okay, these 5 numbers are there. So you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Clear? See, how can you arrange? We'll see now. First of all, what is ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but we can arrange in from small to big. Yes or no? Small to big. Okay, now these numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. See, first of all, here you have to check a small number. First you have to write the small number. Okay, see here, first compare first digit in all the numbers. Okay, here the first number 2, here also 2, here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. All the numbers, the first number is having 2. So we can't tell now which is a small. Now check next number. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. This is also same. Now check next number which is small. Here 3 is there, 5, 4, 5, 4. So among these 3, which is among these 5, which is small? 3 is small. Yes or no? So write down this number first. 2339. Clear? After 3, which is a greater? 4. Here also 4 is there and here also 4 is there. Among these two, which is a smaller number? Check the last number. Here 8 is there, here 1 is there. So 1 is a small number. So write down next this one. After this number. Okay. Next, after here 5 is there and here also 5 is there. 2556, 2559. Which will come first? 56 will come first after 59. Okay. Now write down 2556, last finally 2359. This is nothing but a ascending order. Clear? Now what is descending order? Descending order is nothing but you have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Clear? You have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Means vice versa. From reverse, among these numbers, which one is bigger? This one is bigger. 2359. After 2356. After 2348. After 2341. After 2339. This is how you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Clear? Okay. See, one more example also I will tell you. For example, the numbers are having 1, 4, 6, 2, 3. Okay. For these numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, now check here which is a small number. 1 is a small number. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 6. This is your ascending order. Small to big. Now descending order. Means big to small. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear? This is your ascending order and descending order. Okay. Now I'll give you small homework for you. See, what you have to do means just open your classworks, all of you, and in that classworks put a date, today's date, and write down ascending and descending order heading. After that, write down these examples. Okay, first write down what is meant by ascending order, after what is meant by descending order, and write down these examples, these two examples. Clear? If you are having any doubt, take your parents' help and complete your classwork. And in workbook also you are having activity on, means you are having worksheet on ascending order and descending order. You have to complete that one also. Okay, just take out your workbook, all of you. That is in page number, yeah, here, page number 19. In page number 19 you are having ascending order and descending order. See here, a company has interviewed the following number of candidates by visiting colleges. Arrange the weeks in ascending and descending order based on the number of candidates who attend the interviews. Okay, here days are there and number of candidates also there, so you have to arrange these number of candidates in ascending order, okay, and descending order. Clear? Here the numbers are given, number of candidates are given. You have to check the numbers which is small. Ascending order is nothing but you have to arrange the number of candidates in small to big. Descending order big to small. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్లో మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్మాల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది రాయాలి, స్మాల్ నుంచి బిగ్ వరకు రాయాలి, ఆఫ్టర్ బిగ్ టు స్మాల్. క్లియర్? సీ హియర్, ఇక్కడ చిన్న నెంబర్ ఏది అన్నిటికంటే చిన్న 1798. So write down this number first. After 1865, after 1907, after 2045, after 2573. Okay, this is your ascending order, and write big to small in descending order. Clear? This is your ascending order and descending order, and write down these whatever the bit is there in your classwork. Write down this one also in your classwork. Okay, after completion of that one, just take a pic and send it to our group. If you are having any doubt, take your parents help or comment me, I will tell you. Clear? We'll meet in next class ma. Bye.